Ég heiti Jóhanna Gísladóttir og ég æskulýðsfulltrúi hér við Langholtskirkju og verð vígð til prests 20. september í Dómkirkjunni í Reykjavík. My name is Jóhanna Gísladóttir. I am a youth leader at my local church, and in 3 weeks' time I will be ordained as a pastor here in my local church at Dómkirkjan, the cathedral here in Reykjavík. I remember when I finished what you would call college, my first education, and thought about theology. I was in a relationship at that time with somebody that came from a family that was very educated, and to him theology was something a talented person would not study. He said it was sort of a waste of talent studying theology. So I decided not to. I decided to start studying psychology instead, as a way of pleasing him, I think. And it wasn't until we broke up that I sort of started to listening to my own voice and what I wanted to do. After I started studying, I know there hasn't been any official barriers. I mean, I don't feel here in Iceland that women are not welcome. I feel we're very welcome at church, and people want to listen to us, and the few voices that don't, they are not very loud. And so I feel supported. The only barrier, I think, during the whole time has been myself, not listening to God sometimes, and not believing in myself. So that's the biggest obstacle in my life. It's always my head. Mm-hmm.